Go! First possession goes to Jimmy.
Martin McKay for incredible value. The hybrid sports house was 44.9 and a mild hybrid style now just 49.
Ano pangalan ni Paro Check? Yes, yes. Namiss ko yung kamo ah. Arang Cindy. Sama nila si Doggy oh. Sama nila si Doggy. Kailan si Doggy ba? Na yellow.
Yung ano, yung streamer?
Same ball. Hiram Puino. Same ball.
Ano pangalan ni Saldi pa? Ay, Saldi lang to.
Tosa pala lang. Kala ko Zarinya. Same ball.
Albert ng Moco.
Arang Cindy.
Wala pala si ano, si Maliabo yung long hair nila. May ACL din pala. Ay, aray ko.
Oo nga, Dogs. Okay ka lang kay Kate?
Ham!
Eli Garcia. Hiram Puino. Foul number 21, Albert Amagot. First personal foul. First team foul.
Nato sa...
Zolio Latoza.
Si Jess ba yung call? 21 sabi ah. Albert. Albert. Nagin ko kay Albert. Sabi ko, Albert. Sabi 21.
Bill and Real.
Nag-aaya si Van. 8 o'clock na mamaya.
Saan?
Guapoy Enriquez. Foul number 54, Latoza.
Pinakita niya yung binili.
First personal foul, first team foul.
$50 pag nabili. $60. Okay, sabihan daw niya ako magkano related.
200, ano, 250. Ang na, pasok ko dun. Wala na.
Ano score pa?
7.
Jazz Archer.
Ano time out? Wala. Uy!
Mark Mata 3.
9.
Nakabahan si ano, si... Ano yan, kumanta ng ano? Nakakaputang ina.
Si Juan Carlos.
Juan Carlos. Si Ganlin.
Kamukha nila ba ako? Kinakabahan niya daw.
10 seconds. Oliver ng Mamor. Zaldi Latosa. Ten seconds. Mark Mata.
Nakabahan na siya. Tinatablang ka pala ng kaba?
10 seconds. Hiram Puino.
Yun ang ano yung problema ka dyan.
Sable.
First possession ano pare?
Hindi. Hindi first.
Jazz Archer. Mark Mata. Mark Henry.
Scorean lang.
Foul number 78.
79.
Jazz.
Baruchel.
Oh, 79.
Sorry, 79. Sorry.
Kulang ng isa.
Personal foul, second team foul. Mark Mata. Official score, all 17.
Eli Garcia first.
Foul number 11, Ali Garcia. First personal foul. Substitution ref. Second team foul.
Okay na dyan, nakahawak na.
Low. Palitan mga salam. Nag. Palitan battery. Hindi nga, naglolo ko na rin.
Shot clock is off. Eli Garcia. Once again. End of the first quarter official score. All 19.
Nakakaputang nila.
Balta mo na rin to.
Traveling.
Ano pangalan number na dito? Jeffrey.
Glenn. Ito. Jeff.
Sub ako pag sige. Sub next.
10 seconds. Okoy and Enriquez.
Palakas nga ang volume niya lang. Nung mic.
Johnny Riel for 3.
Yan.
10 seconds. Foul number 18. Sabi to sa ref. First personal foul. First team foul. 10 seconds.
Ano pangalan niya pre? Si Adol?
Erwin.
Erwin?
Erwin.
Erwin Adol.
Sabi to sa ref. Sabi to siya.
Dixon Duran.
Foul number 6, Dixon Duran. First personal foul, first team foul. Two shots, number 10, Mark Henry. Eli Garcia. Offensive foul number 3, Hiram Buino. First personal foul, second team foul.
Hinahuy si Dixon. Ang buro sa court eh.
Traveling violation.
Hindi nag-dribble eh.
Nakuha niya. Tapos
Sub next. Hindi pala.
Johnny Riel. Official score 26-25. 1 point lead by TNB. Lamang na ang TNB. Lamang na ang TNB.
Team D.
Still by Jolly. Jolly Riel. Timeout. GD Jewels. 3 point lead by TNB.
Pero mo ng cord ko. Cord ko. Saan yung bait na naman? Dali, pwede naman po. Yung bait. Ay, yung cord. iPhone. $50 pala. 50 na ako. Naka-50 na ako.
Kaya yan, kaya. Ako nga, kahapon nakatulog eh.
Kaya naman ng isang araw na ano eh.
15.
Kaso putang ina, layo ko silang inaabot ni Rico.
Huwag kang tumanggap, huwag kang tumanggap pag malayo. Kaliw mo ka pa. Pwede ka naman dito tumanggap eh.
Dito lang ako sa Werribee.
Maybe first. Ito na siguro pwede pa. Kasi mayroon spot doon eh, yung Sanctuary Lakes. Okay lang yun. Pag walang spot, pangit eh.
Mark Mata. Ten seconds. Hira Puno. Jazz Paruchan.
Dixon, balance, Dixon!
Ang tapay, ano pa ni Bong?
Bongas Timosa.
Si Bong Lastimosa.
Same ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Substitution. Kids civilian age. Jeff Pamlag out. Foul number 11, Eli Garcia. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots number 3, Hira Puino.
Mamaya ako yan. Pag di ko nabanggit. Okay lang. Ano ba parang?
Official score 31-30, 1 point lead by GD Jewels. Traveling.
Sige, bay!
Hira Puino. Foul number
Second.
0, Mark Mata.
Hindi, si Duran. Si Dixon. Dixon.
Number 0 daw eh. Double 0.
Si Dixon. Dixon ang
Stewart, who's foul? Stewart.
0-0 pala.
0-0 eh.
Pato?
Oh. Sila.
Kaya kung tayo mamaya.
Net shoot! Pag-iintigan ako eh. Next week. Sa tayo no? Mortal board.
Sabi niya, kasi si Kevin pupunta eh.
Oh?
Kevin, single daw si Kevin ngayon eh.
Ako nasama niya?
Hero, Cuino, 7 seconds.
Wala.
And of the first quarter, official score 36-30. 6-point lead by
Gagalit siya.
Lilipas din yan, happy birthday! Lilipas din.
Mechanics no versus ano? Versus tawag doon? True bites. True bites. Hindi. On mo. Sige, sanda ka. Go. Hindi ko 10, balik. On. 10.
Low. Wala.
Wala.
Low.
17. Out.
Steal by number 11.
Number 11.
All the way past to number 54. Step back again.
No good.
Rebound by number 3.
Kuino.
Number 3, Cuino.
Cuino, get back. Steal by number 7. Pass to number 00. Mata, all the way, floater. Basket by number 00. Sino naman sila Mata?
Hindi. Sila Albert.
Score 36.
Shot lang.
Cuino. Pass to Albert. Albert for 3. No good. Rebound by Cuino. Basket by number 3. Cuino. Mata. Pass to number 11. Number 11 Garcia. Side step pass to number 77 for 3. No good. Rebound by. Albert.
Hindi ginawa niya ano eh. Ni Mundo eh. Albert, nauna yung tiyan! Nauna yung tiyan. Bert, nauna yung tiyan!
5 years ago. Abol mo pa yun.
Score 38-32 in Pedro. Junior. Mata for 3. No good. Rebound by number 54. Pass to number 7. Easy basket by number 7. Albert. Pass to Jess. Jess. Dribbling the ball. October. Still dribbling pass to Cuino. Pass to Yes, perimeter shot. Basket by Yes, Malochan. Score 40-34 in favor of GD. Remaining time 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Mata, pass to 77. Kid for 3. Basket by number 77, 3 points. Yes. Pass to number 7. Foul. Holding foul. Foul number 77. 77, first personal foul. First team foul.
Ano siya? Shots pa na, malaw dart.
First team basket by the Philippines.
Ayan, di ako dyan.
Second shot, basket. Pass to number 11, perimeter shot, basket by number 11. Garcia. Just give the ball. Pass to Martinez. Yes, first shot. Out of bounds. Jericho. Score 42-39 in favor of Jericho. Mata. Pass to number 11, Garcia.
Ganda.
Pass to number 7, blocked by number 7.
Sayang, ganda.
The 7-7 pass to 54. Latosa. Lumupo sa ere. Still by number 10, Mark Henry. Mark Henry on the way sa kadua. Basket by Mark Henry. Mata versus Jess. Still by number 77. 79, Jess. Basket. Time out. DNB. Score 46-39 Pero. Jimmy Jewels.
Anong nangyari sa ating dalawa? Dali siya dapat dito lumalabas. Oo, siya mainit eh. Siya yung ano eh. Hindi, pagkagdagan siya yung labas. Marunong siya dumapensa. Ano ba ba? Siya. Kaya gusto matakbo. Hindi, kailangan na pick. Sino? Kailangan pa ikutan siya. Kailangan na papasok eh.
Back to the ball game.
Mga nagpapahinga si Johnny na si ano eh. Nagpapahinga. Wala papalit dyan eh. Wala si ano eh, medyo. Chop? Hindi. Ako, sab.
Remaining time, 4 minutes.
Nakita ko, parte.
Number 54.
Dapat dito kung nagpapahinga si Johnny.
Latosa, pass to Mata. Mata, pass to Latosa. Pass to number 22. Perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by Coelho. Pass to Jess. On the way. No good. Rebound by Latosa. Pass to Mata. 4-on-1. Mata, pass to Kim. 7-7 for 3. No good. Rebound by Mata. Oy! Safety pa sa ere. Out of bounds. Substitution, Substitution. Number 20 and number 2 in.
Pang may parang Alding yan, ubus-ubus na yan. Puta.
Yes. Pass to Albert. Albert for 3. No good. Rebound by number 2.
Wag.
Number 2 all the way. No good.
Pang.
Pass to Mata. Pass to 22 side step. Pass to Johnny, no good. Rebound by Jess. Yes, pass to
Ganito mo. Baka ano, yung nakapasa mo, baka ano.
We know pass to number 7. Pass to number 10. Basket by Mark Henry. Score 48-39 Pero.
Ito para sa Babs ni Albert, no? May glitters. May glitters.
Foul number 10. Mark Henry.
First.
Mark Henry, that is your first personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time, 2 minutes. Hit for 3. No good. Foul. Holding foul by number 2.
First.
Number 2, first personal foul, second team foul. Yes, dribbling the ball. Yes.
8 seconds.
5 seconds shot clock.
Woo!
Removed by number 7, no good. Pass to Mata. On the way, further foul by Albert, number 21. Number 21, that is yours. Second personal foul, second team foul. Shooting 2. First shot for Mata. No good. Second shot. No good again. Rebound by Mata. Mata, basket. Remaining time 50 seconds. Score 48-41 in favor of GD Jewels. Albert, pass to Martinez, pass to Puino. Perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by number 22. 22, pass to Mata. Pass to Janli. Floater shot, basket by Janli. Lima na lang ang kalamangan ng GD Jewels. 5-point lead by GD Jewels. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Martinez for three. No good. Rebound by Mata. 6 seconds. Mata, pass to number 22, basket. And on the third quarter, score 48-45 in favor of GD Jewels.
Ganda laban. Lumahabol.
Yes. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8, Gabon. Power move, no good. Rebound by Mata.
Wait mo.
Mata, 3-on-1. Mata, pass to number 6. Easy basket by number 6. 3-on-1. Puino. All the way. Basket by Puino. Number 00, Mata. Easy lang daw sabi ni Mata. Pass to number 11. Number 11, Garcia. Pass to number 54. What a fake. What a first shot by number 54. Score 50-49 in favor of GD Jewels. 1-point lead by GD Jewels. Puino. Pass to Palanchel. 79. Pass to Mata. All the way. Pass number 6. No good. Rebound by number 54. Break. Foul by number
21.
21. Number 21, that is your third personal foul. First team foul.
A whole lot just for streaming music.
Papagalitan pa siya nang gumagawa. Uy, mo din pumasok. Mani technical ka dyan. Puta kasi babasket eh. Maraming shoes eh.
Let's go, Obi. First shot, no good. Second shot, basket, apply the ball, Panama, score, all 50. Number 79, Paul Chen. 79, pass to Martinelli, pass to Rebon, still, alone. Rebound by number 21, Puino, still by Mata. 3-on-1 play, Mata, pass to number 6, double rebound by number 54, pass to Mata, free throw shot, basket by Mata. Time out! GD Jewels score 52-50 in favor of DNP.
Puta, may rason si Kuya Ron pagka nakaalis sila.
Wala siya eh.
Wala siya eh. Mga golden na tawag yan, lucky charm ba?
Back to the ball game!
Black ball. Doggy.
Mark Henry pass to number.
Eh pare, sa akin naman,
Mark Henry number 10. No good. Rebound by Albert pass to Puino.
seconds.
Coelho. Foul. Holding foul by number 77.
Second pare.
Number 11.
Ha? 77. Stewart, who's called? Stewart.
77.
Second.
Second personal foul.
First team.
First team foul. Coelho, first shot.
Ano comment ito ang kulit, no? Nasa gitna.
Second attempt. Basket by Coelho. Mata crossover.
Mata, pass to number 7, pass to number 54. Hey, step back, sideaway shot. Foul by number 21. Albert, that is your fourth personal foul. Warning for Broadway.
Apat!
Fourth personal foul. Apat na zero.
Pasok nyo na yung bola. Shoutout mo na si Doggy, pre. Shoutout mo si Doggy.
First shot, basket.
Doggy. Sige. Naka-yellow.
Shout out to Doggy. Lakers number 73.
Second shot, basket again.
Score 54-51 in favor of TNB.
Mark Henry, pass to Coelho.
Uy, nawala.
Back to Mark Henry, pass to back to Coelho. Coelho, foul move shot. No good, rebound by number 54. Foul.
Breaking.
Foul number 21. Number 21. That is your fifth personal foul. Broadway.
21 foul, ref? Who's foul? 21 daw, 21.
Broadway. First.
May medal
First
mo.
ano?
May medal.
Apat ka na kanina, apat.
Dapat nilapas ka muna saglit, no?
Wala naman ang foul doon.
Foul. Foul number 79.
78. Okay ba?
79, dalawa.
Warning for penalty, pare.
Number 79, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Mata all the way pass to number 77. 77 for 3. No good rebound by Coelho. Pass to Jess. Jess, move all the way. Basket by Jess Maluchel. Mata dribbling the ball.
Okay na
Pass to
magkaintindihan yan.
Garcia.
Okay na magkaintindihan.
Garcia. Pass to
Takbo!
Mata. Pass to 7. Still. Ano? 7.
Good lang, pare.
10 seconds shot clock. 54. 54. 54. 54. Basket by number 54. Coelho.
Ito pa manood na lang kaysa maglaro eh.
All the way. No good. Rebound by. TNB ball.
Wala si Coelho.
Score 56-53 in favor of TNB. Remaining time 2 minutes and 41 seconds.
Nakakabalo si Johnny.
Mata dribbling the ball. Mata pass to number 54. 10 seconds shot clock. Mata pass to Garcia. Garcia reverse. Basket by Garcia.
Oh, bilis! Oras!
Yes.
Nakunti na, habang tayo!
Score 58-53. Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 7, Lewis by number 79. 79 is pass to Coelho. Coelho. Foul. Foul number 11.
Third.
Number 11, third personal foul. Second team foul.
Shot clock, pre. Okay lang yun, pre. Huwag ka maniwala.
First shot, basket by Coelho. Second
Basket again by Cuero. Score 58-55 remaining time. Last 2 minutes.
Pampibea.
Score 58-55 in favor of TNT. 10-second shot clock. Number 11, breakaway shot. Basket by Garcia. 5-4 by TNT. Cuero. Steal by Lada. Mata all the way. Foul. Legal foul. Legal foul by number 7. Number 7. First personal foul.
Ano yung playground foul?
Penalty yan.
Hindi siya out of the playground. At 3 minutes.
Basket.
Mamaya.
Second shot. Basket. Substitution, Web. Substitution. Subdivision.
Ikaw, si John Lee. Si John Lee sinisigaw namin.
Score 62-55 in favor of TNT. Remaining time 1 minute and 38 seconds.
14 lang, pre. 14 seconds shot.
14 second shot clock. 22. Steal by number 10. Number 10 was Jordan Pastu. No, number 18. Number 18. 2 points. Number 77. 77. Pass to Mata. All the way. Rebound by Cuero. Pass to Rebo. Pass to Markelli. Foul. Foul by number 22. Number 22, that is your first personal foul. Shooting two. Substitution.
Mamaya.
Go.
Substitution.
Ito yung nag-bowl eh.
Number 2 out. 54.
Ba't nilabas sila to sa?
First shot, basket.
Ika si Alden.
Second attempt, no good. Rebound by number 77. Pass to Mata. 3-on-1 play. Mata all the way. Pass to number 22. No good. Rebound by Chandy. 1 minute. 9 seconds shot now.
Cut na!
5 seconds. Foul. Pushing foul. Number 7.
Second.
Number 7. Penalty.
Ilan foul number 7?
Number 7, second personal foul. Mata shooting 2.
Yes.
First shot, basket. Second shot, basket again. Score 64-58. Number 7, pass to Cuero. Foul. Foul number 11. Number 11, that is your fourth personal foul. 1-8 for graduation.
Kung to si Stewart sa'yo, pre, ah. Mukhang crush ka ni Stewart, ah.
Cuero, first shot, basket. Second attempt.
Ha? Wala, time out.
No good. Rebound. Mata has the ball. Still by number 3, Cuero. Pass to Cuero. Number 18. Pass to number 7. 7 pass to Cuero. Step back 3. Basket by Cuero. 3 points. Score 64-62. Number 11. Pass to 2. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to Mata. Pass to number 22. Foul. Foul by number 10, Mark Kelly. Number 10,
Second.
second personal foul, penalty. Remaining time, 24 seconds.
Time out kayo, hindi. Time out kayo, hindi.
Sala, walang timeout. Continue.
Oo nga, tama yan. Bali 59, pare. Lima lamang nila eh.
First shot, basket.
Ano score sa'yo, pre? Ano score sa'yo? 65 mo. 65? 62. Tama, tama.
Second shot, no good. Rebound by Mata, foul.
Tuloy, tuloy. Mamaya.
Foul number 3.
Second. Nangyari?
Foul number 3, Let's go. That's our second personal foul. Shooting 2.
Penalty. Dalawa pa lang. Yeah.
First shot, no good.
Lugyan, naalog. Yes, dito na! Pag na-shoot timeout. Pag na-shoot timeout.
Second shot, pass timeout. GD Jewel. Score 66-64 in favor of TNT. Remaining time, 23 seconds.
Advance sila, pare. Anis bilang. Galit na si Juan Carlos. No. No.
Back to the
Hindi na kayo pwede mag-foul. Penalty na kayo.
Penalty nyo kaysa patrasin nyo.
Okay lang, isang magandang depensa lang yan.
Oo, hindi na kailangan. Wala naman shooter dyan.
Guido for 3. No good. Rebound by Heat, number 77. Foul. Holding foul by number 18. Number 18.
Second.
That is your second personal foul. Shooting 2.
Wala na timeout. Nag-timeout na siya kanina eh. Meron! Timeout kayo!
Pwede, sa next season, advance mo yung timeout para sa next season.
Next season, kunin na namin sa timeout. Hindi ba lang po ito si Raul? Kaya pa yan, aga pa. Wala na yun.
First shot, no good.
Kita dito 4-point play dyan sa PBA ba? Kaya pa yan pagka pinasbre kay Parochel titira ng 3. Parochel, 4-3! Ready lang.
First shot, basket. Score 14 seconds. McKenny for 3. No good. Rebound by Kero. Foul by number 22. Number 22. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Tangan nagsama-sama yung yung TNB.
Remaining time 6.1 seconds.
Kailangan nyo si Pitong Perez. Wala kasi si si Kuya Ran.
First shot, basket.
Timeout kayo, pre. Timeout. Oy!
Bueno. Pass para Chel for 3. No good.